Hi there folks, this is Barry Hoey with the Hoey Team, brokered by eXp Realty, and I'm here at another listing that closes this week. This one closes tomorrow and it's on this beautiful lake here, located in a community right between Naples and Marco Island. Nice setting, low HOA fees, and we had another one that just sold today. But anyway, this is one of a number of listings that we have under contract and that's closing, even with all those COVID issues or whatever. And we have 3D virtual tours on all of our listings. The easiest way to get them is 239vt.com, and I'll put a link up there. I'll also put a link to our page. It's the Hoey Team with eXp Realty. But anyway, reach out to us. Barry and Kim at the Hoey Team. We got this one under contract. I think it was 98% of full asking price, and we got under contract during the COVID crisis. So there are properties selling. Reach out to us. We do a lot of marketing here in Southwest Florida. Alrighty, chat later and be safe wherever you are.